Okay, ready to take test? No one is answering. Ready to take test? We'll start. 25 questions are there. And there is no limit for time limit. We'll start?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, so I've started. There are 25 questions. You have to help me out. What is the correct syntax to the output hello world in Java? Correct syntax.
Fourth option.
Sure?
Fourth, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
100%.
Okay. Now we'll not get the answer. We'll get at the end. Okay. Okay. Second question. Java is short for JavaScript. True or false?
False.
Okay. How do you insert comment in Java? /*, // #.
Second one.
Second one.
Double slash.
How do you insert comments in Java code?
Oh, ma'am, first one, I guess.
First and second, right?
Second,
First
ma'am. There
and
is no closing.
Ma'am, if
Ma'am, first
they're
is wrong,
mentioning
second
comments,
correct.
then I guess first one. Ma'am. If multi-line comments.
Then closing should be there, no?
Closing should be there. Closing is not there. Yeah,
Okay,
which one
ma'am.
will take? We'll go for second.
Yes,
Second,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. Fourth one. Which data type is used to create variables that should store text?
String.
Text, store text. String? Sure.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Sorry, someone was there answering. Okay, I'm sorry. How do you create a variable with a numeric value 5? Numeric value 5. Create a variable with a numeric value 5.
Second option, ma'am.
Second one.
Okay, everyone is second one?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, next. How do you create a variable with a floating number 2.8?
Fourth, ma'am.
Floating point. Fourth one?
Yes, ma'am.
Fourth one.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Which method can be used to find length of a string?
First.
First one.
Sure?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Which operator is used to add together two values?
First.
First one.
First one.
First one, ma'am.
Okay. Question, how the value of a string variable can be surrounded by single quotes. True, false?
False.
Value of
False,
string variable can be surrounded by single quotes. False?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Which method can be used to return a string in uppercase letter?
Fourth one, ma'am.
Fourth one.
To uppercase. Which operator can be used to compare two values?
Fourth one.
To declare an array in Java, define the variable type with.
First one.
First one.
Array index starts with.
0.
How do you create a method in Java?
Third one, ma'am.
Third one.
How do you call a method in Java?
Fourth one. Ma'am.
Fourth one. Last question, did we answer correct? I don't know.
Yes,
We'll just check. Okay. I got a doubt after seeing 15th. Okay. Which keyword is used to create a class in Java? Keyword used to create a class. Yeah, which one first? Second?
Third, ma'am.
Third? Keyword.
Third, ma'am.
Third one.
Third, ma'am.
Keyword is used.
Okay. What is a correct way to create an object called my object of my class? Correct way, correct way.
First one.
Second, ma'am. Second.
My class, my object.
Second one, ma'am.
Second one. In Java, it is possible to inherit attributes and methods from one class to another.
True.
True, ma'am.
True?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Which method can be used to find the highest value of x and y? Highest value.
First one, ma'am.
Highest value.
B, ma'am. Math.max.
B, ma'am.
This one?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Which operator used for multiplying numbers?
Star.
Which keyword is used to import package from Java API?
Input.
How do you start writing an if statement in Java?
First one.
Correct? How do you start writing an if statement in Java?
First one.
How do you start writing a while loop in Java? While loop.
Third one.
Second one, ma'am.
Second. Bracket should be there for while. Which keyword is used to return a value inside a method? Keyword used to return.
Return. Yes.
First one.
Last one. Hope so. How much we would have got right. Which statement is used to stop a loop?
Break.
Break.
Yeah, how much do you expect? Very good, very good. So we have done with 25 out of 25. So now I can say we'll check the answers. I want to check it is right only. All right. So this is right question, right? Second one is right. Third one is right. But we were having a doubt with the third one, right? This one, right? But closing is not there. So we should be very clever when read the question. And the fourth one was right. We were not having doubt. The fifth one, fine. Sixth one was okay. Yeah, seventh, fine. Eighth, okay. Ninth, okay. Okay, here also little bit confusion. You should see uppercase letters. Because this second and first, to make you confusing, they will give like that. Okay. So this equal to, this is okay, okay. Yeah. So I was having doubt with this. How do you create a method in Java? Okay. How do you call a method in Java? See how small difference. So we should be careful. Okay. Which keyword find? Class find, true, this maximum, star, import. Okay. Okay. You'll get a certificate? I don't know. So this way you can please try and get the certificate. So others also, if you want, you can. But I don't think so they'll give me a certificate. I've just tried it out. That's okay. Getting how to just take out the questions and start applying.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, yes.
Ma'am, like different companies which are coming in the technical round, they're asking Java in there, and in also aptitude question, ma'am. Also in with aptitude, there are also technical questions are there.
Yes, yes, yes,
Ma'am,
yes.
can you help us with some? If you have some questions like where to find some Java quizzes question, or you have some questions like that, ma'am.
Yeah, see here, I have. So I'm just sharing. You can see here. You can go this and find out how the Java questions are. So we'll start with this now. So we have a multiple choice question and even the answers are ready. So which of the following option lead to portability and security of Java? Which one is right here? Bytecode is executed by JVM. Applet makes the Java code secure and portable. Use of exception handling. Dynamic binding between objects.
Ma'am, first one.
First one.
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone, first one. You want to see the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, first one. See here, even they are giving the explanation why the first one. What is the first one? What is the reason also? Okay. Okay, good. People who have given first one is right. Which of the following is not a Java feature? Dynamic,
Use of pointers.
architectural, neutral, use of pointers, object oriented.
Use of pointers, ma'am.
Use of pointers, sure.
Yes,
You
ma'am.
want the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, it's true. See, if you have to search like this and find, there are so many websites where you can just have a look like this. Which
From website we are finding, ma'am. But like there are many campus companies are coming, ma'am. I thought if we might get some inputs from the student, those who have got players or those who
Yes,
like some
yes,
questions.
yes,
Generally
yes,
what they ask in technical interviews, like that, ma'am.
yes. They will. One thing here, what is all these is first will be your aptitude, right?
Yes, ma'am.
First is your aptitude. So in that definitely they will ask some of the questions like this. Did you any time found this questions like this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. The first round, if you clear the second round, I'm sure that if you are perfect with the second round, I think it will be easy for you to crack the second round. Okay. So here you can see something like this. Which should be the execution order if a class has a method, static block, instance block, and a constructor as shown below. So we have a class like this: public class first class, public void method, system.out.method, system.instance block. Then the first class, first C method, constructor, then static, then public static void means string, first C, new first, C dot. Yeah, here which one do you say? The instance block, method, static block, and a constructor. Order. They want which will be the first one to execute. So you can see the code again. So first is public class first class. In that we have a method, my method. Yes. So then instance block, constructor, static block. Which one will be first one? Instance block, method, static block, and constructor, or method, constructor, instance block, and static. So which one will be first executed?
D, ma'am.
Everyone is agreeing with D? No idea? Yeah, it's right. The static block, instance block, constructor, and a method. What will be the output of the following program? So here we have a program, my class, my first object is created there, that is obj. Then there you are passing static int a equal to 10, n, b equals to 5, c. Then you're displaying all a, b, c, and m. So instance block 30 and 20. Then static block a equals to 60. So what is your execution? What will be your answer? 10, 5, 0, 20, 0, 30, 10, 20, 60, 5, 0, 20, 60, 30, 0, 20, 0. Yeah, which one it is? You're creating an object. So when you're creating an object, you're calling n there. So what is n? N is a value. Then you're creating my first and you're passing m here and you're calling all the values, that is a, b, a is 10, b is 5, c is, what's the c value? Do we have c value? C value is not there. N is what? N is 20. And M value? A is 60. Yeah, what's your output? Output of this program? What is the answer for this? Yeah, who gave last answer? Static is 60. So you are saying C and D. Again in C and D, which one? Not able to answer?
Ma'am, D, ma'am.
G? Yeah, Hemlata, it's correct. The 60, 30, 0, 20, and 0. Yeah, the slash U0021 article referred to as whether it is Unicode's escape sequence, octal escape, hexadecimal, line feed. Which one it is?
A, ma'am, I think.
Raman is saying A. Yeah, Raman, it's right. Yeah, next one. Dash is used to find and fix bugs in Java program.
GDB, ma'am.
JDK? JDB, na?
JDB, ma'am.
JDB. Yes, it's right. Which of the following is valid declaration of character? Character. How do you declare a character? CHAR, fine. Either you can give CH, CA, CR, CC, fine. Character. Yeah, you have to say which one is correct for character.
Fourth one, ma'am.
B, ma'am.
One is saying D, one is saying B. Others?
Ma'am, option A.
Option A. We'll see the answer. Yeah, option A. Hemlata was correct. Okay. Which is the return type of the hash code method in object class? Which is a return type of hash code?
Option B, ma'am.
Int, object int long void. Lavanya is saying option B. Any other answers? Any other answer? Okay, so Lavanya is right. Which of the following is a valid long literal? Literal. What do you mean by literal?
Constant.
Yeah, constant. Which one is correct here?
C.
Yeah. C?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, Raman is saying C. It is D. Because L, valid long literal. This is just a literal. They've told valid long literal.
Yes, ma'am.
What does the expression float A equals to 35 divided by 0 returns? 0, not a number, infinity, runtime exception.
Runtime exception.
Runtime exception. It is infinity. Evaluate the following expression if x equals to 3, y equals to 5, z equals to 10. So then plus z plus y minus y plus z plus x plus. Yeah, give me the answer. Z is 11 plus y value 5, 16, 16 minus y value
11,
11 plus z
21, ma'am.
plus post increment or pre increment x value.
Post increment, ma'am.
Yeah. So what's the answer now?
24.
24. Everyone got 24? It's 25. Where did you go wrong? Someone told me 24. Check out
Last
again.
one, x plus plus.
X plus plus. You went wrong here. Okay. It is 25. Sorry. Which is what it will be the output of the following program. Public class test, public static void main string arguments int count equal to 1, while count less than or equal to 15, count modulus 2 equal to 1, then it will print star colon plus plus, that is a ternary operator. But if plus plus count, end while end main. Yeah, so which is your answer? Initially count is 1. 1 less than equal to 15, true. Then it will come to system.out.println. Count value is what? Yes, find out. Count value is 1. 1 modulus 2 equal to 1. You are incrementing second time, that is 2. 2 is less than 15. 2 mod 2 is how much? 1.
2 more 2 will be 0.
2 mod 2 is 0. 0 means it will print plus plus.
And 7 times plus plus, 8 times star star.
You are saying C.
Yes, ma'am. See.
Yes, it's right. Which of the following tool is used to generate API document in HTML format from doc comments in source code? Java P tool, Java W command, Java doc tool, Java header command. HTML format. API documentation in HTML format from doc comments. Which one it is?
C.
Yes, ma'am. C, ma'am.
Yes, see. Which of the following creates a list of 3 visible items and multiply selections abled? Which of the following creates a list of 3 visible items and multiple selections abled?
B, ma'am.
B?
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone is agreeing with B? New list
Yes.
false 3. B? Yes, it's true. B. Which of the following for loop declaration is not valid?
A, ma'am.
Not valid. A,
Yes, ma'am. A.
because it is division.
No, it will be showing I. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Others, any other option? Or A is right? Which one is invalid? Invalid A.
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone agree with A?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yeah, it's right. Which method of class is used to determine the name of the class represented by the class object, a string? Get class, intrin, get name, toString. Yeah, which one? ToString, get class. Which one?
D, ma'am.
How to stop this advertisements? B or D?
D, ma'am. I think.
It is C, get name. Yeah. Why? Because they're asking to find the name of the class.
Ma'am, you can use ad blocker, ma'am, to
Where?
stop these
Where I have to go?
advertisements.
Where I have to go?
Ma'am, there's an extension, ma'am. Ma'am, you have to install it. Ad
Okay,
blocker.
okay. Oh, not now. Okay, I have to install that. Okay. In which process a local variable has the same name as one of the instance variable? Serialization, variable shadowing, abstraction, multithreading. In which process a local variable has the same name as one of the instance variable? Which one? Don't know? Anybody? Okay. It is variable shadowing. Which of the following is true about anonymous inner class? It has only method, objects cannot be created, it has fixed class name, it has no class name. Yes?
A, ma'am. I think A.
A. It's only a method. It has no class name. Okay. So which package contains the random class? Random class is present in which package? Language, AWT, input, output, or utility?
A.
Utility. Yes, it's true. What do you mean by nameless class object? What do you mean by nameless class object? Yes? Nameless
Object
class object.
has no
Option C, ma'am.
reference.
Which one? D. Yeah. D is correct. An interface with no fields or methods is known as an interface with no fields. Runnable interface, marker interface, abstract interface, chi-square interface. Means which don't have any fields, only interface. Such type of interface is called
An abstract interface.
abstract interface. It is called marker interface. You want, you can go through the explanation later. Which of the following is an immediate subclass of a panel class? Applet class, window class, frame class, dialog class. Because you don't have syllabus about further, we just studied only Java, core Java. But again, in advanced Java, you have so many things, abstract, applets, you have frames. There are so much things. So related to that, if you can answer, fine. Any guesses? Applet class, window class, frame class, dialog class. No
Frame
idea?
class.
Frame class? It is applet class. Okay. So which option is false about the final keyword? It is false. Final method cannot be overridden in its subclasses. A final class cannot be extended. A final class cannot extend other classes. A final method can be inherited. False. This you have to answer, which you have in your syllabus. False. Yes, which one? No idea? What about fourth?
Yes, ma'am.
Fourth one? Oh, this C. Final method can be inherited. Huh? There should be some mistake, I think. Final class cannot extend other classes. Okay. Which of these classes are the direct subclasses of a throwable class? Runtime exception and error class, exception and virtual machine error class, error and exception class, input output exception and virtual machine error class. Which one it is? Yeah, which one? No idea. See, error and exception class. What do you mean by chained exception in Java? Yes?
Ma'am, B. Exception caused by other exception.
Yes. It's true. In which memory a string is stored when we create a string using new operator? Stack, string memory, heap memory, random storage space.
C, ma'am, heap memory.
Heap. Yeah, it's true. Which uses the interim method? Which uses interim method? It returns the existing string from memory. It creates a new string in the database. It modifies the existing string in the database. None of the above. No idea?
No, ma'am.
Okay. It returns the existing string from the memory. Which of the following is a marker interface? Now I think you should be in a position to answer. Runnable interface, remote interface, readable interface, result interface. Oh, just now they asked about marker interface, right? Again, they are in turn asking like this. Yes, which one is marker interface, runnable interface, remote interface, readable interface, result interface?
C, ma'am, readable interface.
Readable interface. They're saying it is a remote interface. Which of the following is a reserved keywords in Java? Object, string, FP, main, system. Reserved keywords.
Main.
A, object. It is string FP.
C.
Which keyword is used for accessing the features of package? Package, import, extends, export.
Import.
Import.
Import. Yes. In Java, jar stands for. In Java, jar stands for.
C, ma'am.
Java application runner. None of the above. Yeah, last one. We'll stop here with this. What will be the output of the following program? Public class test2, public string buffer created in object S1, S1 dot character 17, system dot S1. What is the answer for this? Whether it is complete, incomplete, impo, climpet, what it is? What will be the output of the following program? S1 equals to new string buffer complete. Set character, first position I.
C.
Second, that is seventh position D. Then
B,
display
I think.
S1. Huh?
B, I think.
B.
Yes, ma'am.
One is saying B. Another person, anything else? Someone told C.
C, ma'am.
Yeah, it is C. Okay. So we'll stop here and we'll continue in the next class. Let me take attendance. Tomorrow we'll, Raman was asking about programs, right? I have some programs. We'll discuss tomorrow class with the programs, not your syllabus thing, general placement programs. So he told no how the technical things. So related to Java only. So those programs we'll be seeing tomorrow.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Anaga? Answer
Yes,
your
ma'am.
attendance, Anaga. Abhilash?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Akhil?
Yes, ma'am.
Sir, morning class you are not there, sir. Akrut?
Yes, ma'am.
Anusha? Anusha? Arvind? Arifullah? Penaka? Penakaraj?
Ma'am, he's present, ma'am. He's having network issues.
Banu Prakash?
Yes, ma'am.
Bhargav? Bhargav? Rahmatullah?
Yes, ma'am.
Present, ma'am.
Chaitra?
Present, ma'am.
Chandana?
Present, ma'am.
Charan? Darshan?
Ma'am, Darshan placements is attending placement.
Diksha?
Yes, ma'am.
Dakshayani?
Present, ma'am.
Kishan?
Present, ma'am.
Harshit?
Present, ma'am.
ಯಾಕಪ್ಪ ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ ಅಬ್ಸೆಂಟು ಆಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದ್ 2-3 ದಿನದಿಂದ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ ಹೇಮಲತಾ
Present, ma'am.
ಉಮಾ
Yes,
Uma
ma'am.
madam
Yes,
since
ma'am.
from 2 classes you were absent madam Jayant. Morning, you were absent. Jayant. Divya. Kaushik. Kaushik. Lakshmi.
Present, ma'am.
Lavanya.
Present, ma'am.
Manish.
Present, ma'am.
Manoj. Manoj. Mohit.
Yes, ma'am.
Morning, you were absent. Naval.
Yes, ma'am.
Navya.
Present, ma'am.
Ma'am, Anusha present, ma'am. There was no.
Okay. Nikhil.
Present, ma'am.
Anindra.
Present, ma'am.
Pavan.
Yes, ma'am. Pawan present, ma'am.
Pooja.
Present, ma'am.
Purnima. Purnima. Kaushik marked. Raman.
Present, ma'am.
Rashmi. Rupak.
Yes, ma'am.
Sai Kumar.
Present, ma'am.
Sameer.
Present, ma'am.
Santosh.
Present, ma'am.
Sadab.
Present, ma'am.
Present, ma'am.
Charan.
Present, ma'am.
Shashank. Sheetal.
Present, ma'am.
Shivani.
Present, ma'am.
Soumya.
Present, ma'am.
Spurti.
Present, ma'am.
Shri Vishnu. Shri Vishnu. Sugandhini.
Present, ma'am.
Sushma.
Present, ma'am.
Sushmita. Sushmita, you. Tirtha.
Present, ma'am.
Trupti.
Present, ma'am.
Varsha.
Present, ma'am.
Veena.
Present, ma'am.
We'll stop here and we'll continue in next class.
Ma'am, Kaushik has
Ma'am,
put his attendance in chat box, ma'am.